In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add stop loss and take profit to an existing trade. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, let's place a trade. So let's buy, for example, place order like this. Now, as you can see, we have our order here. And if you want to add a stop loss and take profit to it, all you have to do is hover over it with your mouse like this. And you will see here TP and SL. So this is the take profit and this is the stop loss. So for the take profit, you have to drag it above because this is a bullish order like this. And for the stop loss, it will be below like this. As you can see, I have here my stop loss and my take profit. Now let's make a sale. Click on sell here and click on place order. Now hover over it again with your mouse and you will see here the take profit and stop loss. Now we have to drag the take profit below like this and the stop loss will be above like this, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.